Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Twoguysfinance is all about helping you save money and make more. And today we're looking at the best Cowrywise tips to stop overspending. We call it the out of sight, out of mind money trick that actually works. You see, overspending is one tap away. And what is your defense? Strategic friction. And Cowrywise is your shield. It uses a 24-hour rule and the wish list plan. Do you see a non-essential want? Don't buy it. Do not buy it. Instead, open Cowrywise, create a wish list savings plan, and transfer the amount there. If you still want to buy it in 24 hours, then you go for it. Often you realize I just want to keep the growing savings. Then you can use digital envelope system. Before a weekend or event, transfer a fixed fund budget to your Cowrywise wallet. Once the budget is empty, as in the fund budget is empty, your spending is done for that weekend. It's a modern envelope system. Lastly, unlink quick pay apps. Keep your primary debit card out of food gadget apps. Link your Cowrywise budget card instead, funded only with your monthly flex amount. You see, overspending isn't a willpower problem, it is a system problem. Use Cowrywise to build a better system. What is one impulse buy you wish list save for this week? Tell me in the comments.